Look at me.
Go over the dog.
Don't go.
It's big. Look how they don't move because the water's going that way, but they're going that way. I'm trying to move that way, but the water's going that way.
So why are these fish up here? Look at me.
They're spawning.
What does spawning mean?
That means they're going over to where they were born to lay their eggs, and then they die, and it keeps going every year, and that's how it works. That's the life cycle.
Thank you.